Hi everyone, my name is Abhishek Kumar. I am currently pursuing my B.Tech from Zakir Hussain College of Engineering and Technology at Aligarh Muslim University. Today, I want to take a moment to share an incredible journey that has shaped my future in ways I could have never imagined. This past summer, I had the privilege of being a part of something truly extraordinary. The summer internship at IITD-AIA Foundation for Smart Manufacturing, or IEFSM for short. I also seek this opportunity to thank Tech Rover Didactic Private Limited, who presented me with this remarkable opportunity. My time as an intern at IFSM was an invaluable experience that has laid the foundation for my future career aspirations. Throughout the program, I was immersed in the world of industrial robotics and cutting-edge technologies that are driving the future of manufacturing. One of the highlights of my internship was the hands-on experience I gained on industrial robotic programming using state-of-the-art tools like robotic. Additionally, I had the privilege of working with SliceCR slicing software to prepare intricate parts for the wire arc additive manufacturing process, or WAAM for short. WAAM is a 3D printing process where metal wire is melted using an electric arc and deposited layer by layer to create objects. This gave me a unique perspective on advanced manufacturing techniques that are revolutionizing how we build and create. Now, none of this would have been possible without the guidance and mentorship of Mr. Rajesh Bhatt. Working under his expertise was an honor, and I am deeply grateful for the knowledge he shared with me. As I reflect on this transformative experience, I can't help but feel excited about what lies ahead. Thank you to IEFSM, Tech Rover Didactic Private Limited, and everyone who played a role in making the journey possible. The road ahead is filled with endless possibilities, and I am ready to embrace every challenge and opportunity that comes my way. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much.
We aim to forge connections with potential employers and collaborators. Let's come forward to help in providing opportunities to these smart interns and help us to construct a smarter and more interconnected world.